Hello students! Today we're talking jumping rope. This is a great activity to continue your fitness work, improving your cardiovascular endurance. At the end of this video I'm going to show you some ways that if you're just beginning to jump rope, you can work on your timing and your rhythm. Before I begin jumping, I'm just going to lay the rope down and kind of warm up by jumping over it, forward and back. Now, for those of you that want to start churning and work on your timing, I recommend you start with the rope behind you by your heels. My thumbs are out, I flip it over, and jump as I turn. Now I have lots of experience. I've been doing this since I was a kid, so if you're just getting started, again, wait for the end of this video. I have some activities you can try at home with a hula hoop. As you get going, and you can do it forwards, now let's try backwards. So the hoop started by my toes. I'm turning and jumping as I flip it backwards. Ooh, some sprinkles on top at the end. Get creative. There's lots of different ways. You could hop on one foot. You could try some crisscrosses. And don't worry if you make a mistake. That's part of the fun. I make mistakes all the time. So here are these hula hoop exercises. These are great for younger jumpers. You're working on jumping over that ledge of the hoop, forward and back, in and out. Then you can give it a spin or have an adult give it a spin for you. And see how many times you can jump in and out without hitting the hoop. Be careful that you don't trip. So you're trying to get it in and out as many times as you can before that hoop stops moving. Not only is this fun, but it's a great way to work on our timing and our cardiovascular endurance, our heart, making it strong. Okay, now you can do it a couple times and see if you can beat your score each time. You're going to find that the more tired you get, the more difficult it becomes. I really slow down here at the end. Just kidding, it's slow motion. So have fun with it, students. Jumping rope is a great way to continue your cardiovascular fitness skills over the summer.